With 3/4, you can do something similar. We can't get it to 10, but we can get it to 100. We can multiply the top and bottom by 25, and we get 75 over 100, which is 0.75. All right, 4/5, same idea. So we multiply the top and bottom by 2 to get this up to 10, and we get 8 out of 10, and that's a really nice trick because now 8/10 is just 0.8. So got to make sure to remember the 0 in front. All right, next. 1/2. All right, how do we get this up to 10? Multiply the top and bottom by 5, and we get 5 over 10, which is just 5/10, or 0.5.